got this biscuit.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing.
Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, आज है Saturday और आप सबको पता है कि Saturday is a fun day for all of us because we are our husbands at home and it's a weekend. So we just thought of going out for a drive. So before drive, Arthur always wanted to buy something from the shop. So we got for him things from the shop. Like we got for him biscuits, chocolates and all, because if we don't get these things for him, then he will worry us. So we just got these things for him, and then we will go for a long drive. So basically, let's see where we go. So it's Saturday, and as you can see that it's sunny morning. So now we are going to the petrol station to fill the petrol, and after that we will go for a drive because it is very very important that when you go for a long drive, जब भी आप कोई लंबे journey में जाते हो, so you should always make sure that the gas, the petrol is basically filled, and you are not short with petrol in your car, because this could be very dangerous, because if you're going for a drive and that if your petrol gets over and your car stops. So nowadays आप सबको पता है कि the situation out here in Karachi is not safe. So for this reason we have to be very careful. So whenever we go for a drive, we always make sure that our car petrol is filled, and then we can go for a drive. So now we are basically going for a drive.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta.
So friends, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Sea View, because Sea View is our favorite destination, because in the morning whenever you go to Sea View, you will see the sea so calm and you will love it. So this is the reason, on the weekends, on Saturday especially, because Saturday evening and Sunday morning till evening there be a lot of rush. So Saturday morning is the only time where you can go and visit and see the sea so calm, enjoy the sea breeze and everything. So we just thought of going for a drive in the morning, and make our destination to Sea View first. So friends, as you can see that the road is very clear. There is less traffic on the road today because it's a Saturday. Usually you will find rush in the evening, because people they usually come out in the evening. During the day there is less rush because because of the heat, and people they usually get up late in the morning, especially on the weekends. So guys, हम लोग अभी enjoy करें अपना morning drive जो कि है Sea View पे, and it was a very good day. It was sunny but it was very beautiful. We were enjoying the view of Sea View, as you all can see. So friends, as you can see that Dolmen Mall Clifton is looking so quiet and looking so good, like especially in the morning. Usually in the evening you will see that there is lots and lots of rush of cars. और ये जो डॉल्मेन मॉल है ये खुलता है 11 बजे in the morning at 11 o'clock it opens, and then it closes at night around at 11 o'clock. So now we are driving through the Sea View, and it's looking so beautiful by the grace of Almighty God, as you all can witness the beauty.
I'm I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the
So friends, here come the clock tower. In the morning you can see, and now you will see the view of the sea. How calm and beautiful it's looking today. It's around 10:30 in the morning and the sea looks like this.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
So friends, here you can see that the cleaning is going on, and they try to keep the area clean basically. So now comes Chopal. Here I've heard that this restaurant is very good. So someday we will definitely going to come here and we're going to show you the restaurant and how beautiful it looks from inside. And now we are going back after a long drive. It wasn't a very long drive, but it was a long drive because for us, even if we go till the clock tower, it's a long drive for us. And we usually enjoy this drive every weekend, especially. It gives you a very soothing a feel. So we definitely enjoy this place coming always on the weekends.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
So friends, this is Com3. This is also a very famous place here in Clifton, and this is quite closer to our house as well. And as you can see that we are going back home, and we enjoyed a lot by the grace of God. Before that, we wanting to buy some fruit, so we stopped here to buy fruit.